least favorite household chore, putting duvets in their cover. Hi, I'm Brianne Howey, and this is Fold Factor with Good Housekeeping. I will be up against the clock folding household items as fast as I can. This is most people's nightmare. If I don't finish in time, I have to answer some brutally honest questions. Which co-star would you least want to share a trailer with, and why?
How do you think you're gonna do at this?
I think I'm gonna do all right at this. I do love organizing, but not like timed organizations, you know? But if I could have all day to organize any room in my house, I'd be in heaven. In this first round, I have a bunch of silk scarves and I have to fold them just like this one. Can I see this one? Wow, oh God. Okay, here we go. We're gonna lay her out like this. We're gonna do some, I feel like it goes in a little and then, nope. I'm not gonna get any of these. Let's try again. Let's just keep going. Let's just keep going. Because there's like a little pocket situation happening here. And I don't know how they got the pocket. Maybe we go in, and then like one more this way. Nope, still no pocket. Okay, let's try. Let's just see if we can get a tuck on this last one. Oh my God. I mean, and they are beautiful scarves. Okay. How the hell is there? Okay. I failed the test, so I will be answering this question. What's one audition or role you passed on that still haunts you? Oh my gosh, you know what? I don't, I say yes to everything. I don't pass on auditions. I think it's really, really important, even if I don't think maybe I'm the right person for the role. I have always continued to go in because I think A, it's really good practice. I love getting to know any casting directors and who else could be on the team. And even though if I'm not right for that role in particular, it could pay off one day later for a different role. So I always go in.
Do you have a bad audition that still haunts you?
Back in the day, I was auditioning for a commercial. It was this person's wedding day and she had to dance and shake her booty a lot and spank her booty a lot. And yeah, I'm still haunted by it. I didn't book it. Now I have some denim skirts here and I have to match this fold. This is what I'm examining. Okay, this is, I think, a little more doable than the scarf, but I don't want to get too ahead of myself. Okay. Also cute. Like, who doesn't love black denim skirt?
Is this something Georgia would wear?
Probably not, but something I would wear. You know? Don't feel terrible about that. The weight, Okay, let's see what we got here. She's so cute. This denim wash is more of a Georgia wash. There we go. There we go. Oh my gosh. It's happening, you guys. It's happening. Okay, one more. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Oh my gosh.
The fold doesn't match exactly.
It doesn't, this is true. There's variations here of these folds, so I will be reading this question. What was the most embarrassing thing to happen to you on the set of Ginny and Georgia? It was our first cast dinner to all be together and I did get carded. I was embarrassed and I whipped out my ID and then they gave me a glass of wine. But everyone saw and paused and commented and made fun of me. And now we have some fancy dress shirts that we will be folding into this beauty right here. Okay, you know, it's like the question is more of what's happening with the arms, you know? We match. Nope. Nope. Let's go. You know, I love a good hanger, right? Okay, let's try again. Let's see. When I'm shopping and like picking things up out of a pile, and if I put it back, I feel terrible if it doesn't match the way all of the employees have laid them out, and I always do try to put them back that way. Damn. Okay, I feel like I have this shirt also. Okay. Woo! Great. Really, really close. Okay, well, here we go. You've starred alongside big names like Jack Black, Amy Schumer, Jason Bateman, Emma Roberts, and more. Which co-star would you least want to share a trailer with and why? I mean, Jack Black lived in a lot of his set clothes, which cracked me up. He always kept wearing the same devilish goat shirt, but I loved it. Between Jack Black, Amy Schumer, and Jason Bateman, they would all make me laugh too hard, and I feel like I wouldn't be able to make them laugh as hard as they could make me laugh, so all three of them. Okay, now I have a bunch of socks that I need to A, match and pair them together, and then fold them like this beautiful item right here. Origami. Alrighty. Okay. Let's see. I thought these were peaches. They're not, but close enough. Now let's see, how the hell? Oh my gosh, maybe it was like this. Did you guys do something sneaky here? Nope. Let's try again. Okay, what about oh, these are peaches. Okay. Oh, I keep wanting to fold them how I do it. Okay. I wonder if they kind of go like, nope. Okay. Let's see. Also not how you do it. What is one celebrity encounter that left you disappointed and why? I was just at To Doom with Netflix and I got to see Adam Sandler and his wife Jackie, and I was disappointed that they couldn't continue hanging out with me afterwards because they are the loveliest human beings. Now I have a fitted sheet that I must fold into this beautifully conformed fitted sheet that I have no idea how they did. This is most people's nightmare. Here we go. Okay. Sometimes I think you gotta like make it into more of a rectangle, right? We got a little, plastic surgery here. Change the shape in as flat a way as possible. Look, now we kind of have a square. I'm gonna fold her in here, fold her in here. Like if you just, one of these things is not like the other. Okay, so I will be reading the next question. What is one scene while you were shooting where you couldn't stop laughing? This season, there's a Lifetime movie made about Ginny and Georgia. It's one of the most hysterical things I've ever read, and while we were shooting it, they had the actual footage of the family they cast as Ginny, Georgia, and Austin. They made me tacky.
Inspired by a true story.
They made me white. Tony and I could not keep it together. It was one of the best days. This final round is a rapid fire round. I will be putting this duvet into this cover while answering a speed round of questions, so please wish me luck. Okay, here we go. Easy peasy.
Sleep with the comforter or without?
With.
What's the messiest room in your home?
Our TV room. There's blankets everywhere, and my daughter like opens up all the game cupboards and pulls out like all the pieces of every game. Woo. It's very messy.
Star in a film or TV series?
Well, because we already have a TV series, let's say film.
Forget your lines or have to reshoot an entire scene?
Forget your lines.
Best dog mom cleaning hack?
Treats and some more treats. My dog will only do anything if I am just constantly giving him treats.
Least favorite household chore?
Least favorite household chore, putting duvets in their cover.
What's the most Georgia thing about you in real life?
Now that I have a daughter, I am gonna force her to be my best friend for the rest of her life.
Ginny and Georgia season 1, 2, or 3?
You know, I'm gonna go big. Going bold. Going for season 3. I am really proud to say that we are ending on a high note and that I got this duvet in this duvet cover. I might take it home with me. Overall, I wished I could have folded some of those a little bit more, but I will be checking out the Good Housekeeping website to learn how they did. Thank you so much for watching season 3 of Ginny and Georgia, out now on Netflix.